Hey, is that a 6.1? What is that? Boosted. Boosted? Nice. Another 392 swap. Phenomenal. That's a lot of space. For sale. 260,000. Let's see this. 1966 Plymouth Cuda. Okay. Or here's the build list. 6.1. We got huh. That's cool. Plymouth SR Willwoods? That's a good build. Plymouth SRT. I'm wondering if it's boosted or not. 6.1. Whoa, dude. Nice. Another 392 swap. Phenomenal. That's a lot of space. Hey, look at all that.
Yeah, really. Man, if I had that much room to work on ladders.
I know, right? That's awesome.
No, they check those.
So this is
26 cars for me.
wow. That's cool. And a convertible with Willwoods. It's got everything, eh? That's great.
We had our favorites.
Yeah. So she goes like that.
1971 Restomod. 5-speed.
So few the wheels, the tires, all that. I mean, if you could figure it out off his head, right?
This is something you all over?
Yeah, sorry.
No worries.
Oh yeah.
For sale. 260,000.
I think at the end, more or less, they're the same. This, I like this color, sassy grass green.
6, 7.
This looks nice. Yeah, kind of wild. What did I say?
There's 60 people.
that tranny getting put in my workshop supposed to be done yesterday. I phoned the guy 10 times yesterday to go pick it up, and then he finally came back this morning and said he planted corn. He's a farmer. I go, you dick, I need a truck to work, man. Like, you know, if you couldn't do it or whatever, like,
Where did you take it to?
oh, some guy farming. He's actually, this guy's doing a 70 rotor for a guy.
Oh, yeah. I'm glad you're being
original-
inclusive, anyway. I'm glad you're being inclusive. Since you said you put a tranny in the front seat.
Don't even go there. I blew my tranny.
Oh, really?
We got an issue in my little hamlet with a camp that's run by a transvestite. So anytime that tranny thing comes on my way, it turns to a joke. Yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
Oakville every day.
Right next to that hall. You know the hall, the corner there? It's
No, I haven't been to Swinton Park for like probably 20 or 30 years.
Oh really?
Oh, I gotta talk to these
Well, if you
guys.
want to buy some meth or whatever,
Don't go too far.
they got it right there.
Nice. Is that why you moved there?
No, they moved there after I moved there. So what have you been doing nowadays? I was talking to Pete a couple weeks ago. I went to pick up my oil. I had to order a bunch of oil. So I just head over to pick it up, but also all-wheel corner shop there anymore. So I had to go to his house. Over by it. Yeah. It's got a kind of good setup going on there. So did you get the dyno on kind of stuff? So you still doing the same deal? Or?
Yeah, I work for a million employees.
Oh, so you just do
The shark. They're down there. Well, it's not going to be very drivable. Do you own a Hellcat now?
I have
Those are nice drivers. But they're crazy drivers.
They're a lot heavier.
Yeah, it's got heavier. They got all the inline brakes. They got the control, all that stuff. It's built.
Motors in the door.
You take all that horsepower and put it into an old car where, yeah, sure, you've upgraded the brakes and maybe the steering, but you don't have everything else. Yeah, it'll be a handful to drive. It would be very fun.
It's true. It's just no weight, right? So
Yeah, I mean, that's what I mean. So if you're used to that, I just think it's a lot of power. It's not going to handle like a but I like the thing about this car very well.
Oh, you're behind.
To the east.